Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our online science class. Today we are going to learn green environment lesson. In the last class we saw the 3Rs. 3Rs means reduce, reuse and recycle. We must first reduce, then reuse and finally recycle their products. Today we are going to learn about waste separation. Waste at home should be separated into biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable waste. Waste like leftover food, vegetable waste which are broken down naturally should be collected in the separate litter box. Material which cannot be decomposed should be placed in separate dustbin. For example, paper waste, glass waste and aluminum waste which can be recycled into new useful product should be kept in separate box. Some glass containers for food and beverages are 100% recyclable and can be recycled endlessly without loss in quality or purity. Children, plastic itself, it's not bad, but we are using too much of it. Overuse of plastic causes pollution. Plastics that are used only one time causes pollution. It is good to avoid or reduce one-time usable plastics. The best way to start is to ask yourself this question, children. Is this plastic item going to be used one time or many times? If you can use it one time, then try to avoid buying such plastic items. Yes, plastic is harmful to our environment. In Tamil Nadu is leading the way in India by banning some one-time use plastic items. See the list, children. Some items banned in Tamil Nadu are given below. Animals eat plastic bags by accident and their food passage is choked. Then plastic plates, because plastic plates stay in the environment for over 1,000 years. So in plastic plates banned in Tamil Nadu, as well as water pouches litter the land and are difficult to recycle. Then plastic straws are difficult to recycle and end up pollutions the ocean. And chemicals from plastic sea leak into food. So these are the items banned in Tamil Nadu. What are the items, children? Plastic bags, plastic plates, water poucher, plastic straws and plastic sheets. So these are the items banned in Tamil Nadu. See, children, what are the things that can be used instead of the plastic? Any idea, children? Yes, we can use things that are harmless for the environment. These are called environment friendly or eco-friendly materials and can be either biodegradable or reusable. See, what are the things environment friendly materials? Things that can be decomposed or broken down by microorganisms are biodegradable. They can be returned to the soil and enrich the soil. So materials which are beneficial to the environment and do not cause harm are called eco-friendly materials. Some of the example, children. See, banana leaves are used as plates. They are fully biodegradable and do not contain chemicals like thermocol plastic or coated paper plastic. And also bamboo is used to make many things such as bags, dustbin and even toothbrushes. Correct, children? Yes. Children, some environment friendly material are not biodegradable but very strong and can be used for many years. Reuse is the second R in the 3 R's. By reusing something again and again, we reduce waste and conserve the environment. Okay, anyone say examples? For example, children, stainless steel, water bottle and snack box are some examples of eco-friendly materials. Because stainless steel does not leak chemicals into your food or water. So it is safer than plastic. They can be reused for a longer period of time. Next one is litter-free environment. Litter in our environment is unsightly and spoils our experience of nature. It is also dangerous to animals that ingest it. Cleaning up loose waste is one of the best ways to keep our community and the environment green. By removing litter from environment, we are ensuring that it does not end up in our oceans. See, NGC. N stands for national, G stands for green, C stands for crops. So it is a national program initiated by the government of India. The motto of NG is, where there is green, there is property. It involves NGC school students in protecting and promoting the conservation of natural resources. They participate in activities like biodiversity conservation and waste management. See, children, make sure you put litter in your bag or in a dustbin. When others pass you as you pick up a litter, smile and say hello. It shows pride in community and encourage others to do their part. So where there is a green, there is a property. So NGC stands for the national program initiated by the government of India. Okay, children, today itself we completed first lesson. We will meet in the second lesson. Thank you, children.